The bottom of the design market is now gone. Businesses are now making their own logos, their own websites, and their own posters. They're creating these with AI, and love it or hate it, they're good enough. But at the mid and top level of the market and the industry, things are busier than ever. The designers that are thriving right now aren't the ones that are fighting against AI, they are the ones that are using it. And they're using it to ship faster and better than ever before. The Future Designer course teaches you both design and AI. Everything from design fundamentals, Figma, branding, no code, and then all the AI workflows you could ever need without all the bullshit AI tools that exist out there. Over 40 follow-along lessons that'll arm you with everything you need to stand out in this new AI world. Level up your skills as a future designer today and join the course, because the future is already here. I've been working on this course behind the scenes for the last few months, and it has been so much work getting all of these video lessons together. Now, I make a lot of free educational content here on YouTube, which I love, and I love this community I've built around it all with you guys. But the Future Designer is a paid course, and because of that, I'm able to really spend the time working on the full workflow start to finish, which is a little different than the entertaining 7 to 10 minute videos that we make here on YouTube to teach you guys a few things here and there. The Future Designer is here to teach you guys literally everything I know about how to thrive as a designer here in 2026 and going forwards. I would love it if you guys at least checked it out by clicking the link in the description. And I guess the best way to kind of explain the course, maybe to show you guys the intro to the first lesson of the course. So yeah. Welcome to the Future Designer course. Now, before we even touch a single tool, I want to be clear about what this course is and how you're actually going to get your money's worth out of it. Because how you use this matters just as much as what's in it. So at its core, the Future Designer course is a design course just as much as it is an AI course. And I'll explain why. The bottom of the design market has been slowly getting wiped out. AI logos, AI websites, AI graphic design posters, you've seen them everywhere. Businesses are now making these for themselves now, and the results, honestly, for the sort of bottom of the market, it's good enough. If you're watching this course, you probably already know all of that. That bottom part of the market isn't going to change, but the middle and the top end of the creative industry is thriving. Genuinely, and the designers that are doing well in this space are the ones that are using it, not avoiding it, and they're also the ones with the skills to not be replaced by it. They're the designers and builders that already understood the fundamentals of what makes something great. Type, layout, hierarchy, brand, systems thinking, direction. AI has helped their output go up massively, but their taste in direction is what people are paying them for. So that's the distinction. What it's essentially done is the bottom of the market has raised, but the top of the market has stayed the same. And this area here is where a lot of money can be made. And this area here is where you are going to stand out. That is what the Future Designer is all about. It's someone with real design knowledge that can move at the speed that these tools allow. And this course aims to give you all the tools you need to get there. If you're just starting out, you're in the right place. Because in this course, we'll build from the fundamentals up about the stuff that actually matters. If you can already design, let's just say you've got a few years behind you, I'd still watch every lesson, not because what I'll be telling you is completely new to you, but because everything in this course kind of adds on top of each other. And you know, it's never a bad thing to practice your design skills anyway. Now, maybe you're a developer, a founder, or a marketer, and you're just tired of your stuff looking like AI. You'll get a lot out of this course because the workflows and the design fundamentals will be able to take you from AI thinking it's done to you knowing how to take it to that next level. Now, this is important, but this is how to use this course. I want you guys to follow along, but actually practice and don't just skim through the videos. A lot of the lessons aren't necessarily just copy this frame for frame and then at the end of it you'll have the exact same project that I created. That's not really the point, and I don't think that's a great way to learn design anyway. What I'm doing in every lesson is showing you guys a method. And then I want you guys to take that method and then apply it to your own thing, whether that's your own project, your own brand, or a client project, and we'll go through it together. So have Figma or Claude open, have your file next to mine. When I explain a method or make a decision, pause the video, try it out on your own work. If you follow along and build like this alongside me, you'll come out on the other side of this work with actual work, actual muscle memory, and most of all, you'll know the workflows for when the AI tools change next year anyway. If you take it serious, the value you can get from this course, I believe, is worth multiples for what you paid for it. Okay, so what do you need to get started? First and foremost, you need Figma. Now, you can use the free version of Figma. Later, when we get into some of the AI workflows with the MCPs, you might then want to upgrade to the $20 a month Figma to get access to that. but you might be fine just with the completely free Figma for the entire course. Now, second up, you will need an AI model. Now, I use Claude and Claude Code, so if you want to follow along exactly with that workflow, I would recommend that. Now, to get started with this, you would be fine on the $20 a month plan, or you could use something like Codex, which I think is around $20 as well. I'd recommend either of those, but if you're starting this on a tight budget and you want to use something kind of for free, then Google AI Studio might give you enough to still learn some of the concepts. It's a bit more friction and limited, and the usage won't be very high. It works, but I do strongly suggest at least Claude or Codex. $20 a month plan will be more than enough to get you started. That's it, and everything else you'll see me use is optional. I use Illustrator at one point, but you can use Figma for this. I use Photoshop a few times, but you can use free tools to do the same sort of things. But that's all you need, Figma and an AI model. This course will continue growing. Part of what I think this course provides is filtering out a lot of the bullshit of what's out there right now in the AI space. A lot of it you don't need to touch, and some of it is genuinely cool. One thing already on the roadmap is I want to show you guys how to build out a real SaaS paid app. Now, this would be an app that does something useful and has users paying you every month to use it. So the full follow along design, build and launch process for that should come out sometime later in the year. And as a member of this course, you get that for free when it lands. And this goes both ways. So if you've got any feedback about the course, if you're stuck on anything, if you've got any questions or queries, or if you want something specific covered in the future of this course, then drop me an email here and I'll see what we can do. Alright, so that's it. In the next video, we will talk about design philosophy, and then we will get stuck into some actual design work. I'll see you there. Good luck. Whether or not you want to take the course, that's completely up to you, but I'll still continue to make educational, entertaining videos here on YouTube, so expect a lot more videos in the near future. I love you guys. I'll catch you guys soon with another video.